dear participating members and visiting overseas buyers. It gives me immense pleasure in announcing the inauguration of virtual fairs for buyers from Germany and other European countries. This council duly sponsored by the Ministry of Textile and Department of Commerce. In the era of COVID pandemic, this is a most powerful platform of projecting the strength of the Indian silk industries in showcasing the large diversified product to the visiting buyers in the most economical and powerful way. The participating overseas buyers will be able to buy merchandise of their choice without taking risk of traveling in the shortest possible time. I wish everyone a great success in their venture and hope the Indian Silk Export Promotion Council will be providing more opportunities in the coming period. Thank all of you in your effort.
We are grateful to the Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Textile, Government of India, who had sponsored a series of virtual fairs to be organized by the Indian Silk Export Promotion Council. And during this year, it is the second series of the fairs. In the beginning of first quarter, we had organized 7 virtual fairs, and now again we are doing 7 virtual fairs. In this fair, we are showcasing the different product of silk and silk blend goods, which are home textile, clothing, scarves and shawls, carpets and other items. We are inviting the buyers from the respective country, as well as there are more than about 70 or 80 participants. They will be showcasing their product. In today's time, physical activities are a bit difficult, and it is more important such activities like virtual fairs, international fairs are being organized, where the buyer and seller both get a good opportunity to take part and interact with each other. Since India is a big center for exporting silk and silk goods, I sincerely hope that all the participants will get the good exposures for their product and will be able to achieve a good business, and ultimately this will be a good target for the Indian exports in days to come. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji had a great vision to invest much and much more into the exports, and his slogan, vocal to local, and he is giving the exporting fraternity his best to explore the international market whichever and all the ways possible. I wish all the participants good luck. At the same time, I wish all the buyers visiting the fair on the online will get to see the product they are looking for. All the best to everyone. Thank you very much.